please.
So we got the Mustang here. It's an add transmission.
This was in the movie Fast and Furious.
Parts. Motor sounds really good and healthy though. 181,000 miles.
Alright, put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? You know it's got issues, got tranny issues. Got a 2010 now. We're going to go Ford Mustang. What are you thinking about here? Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? I'm going to go 525. I got.
Sound like it's gonna be a good drift car. Crazy. I guess it sold for $650.
Now I'm going to put 475, all in, all done, last call, cheap car, so, 450. We're thinking about having another auction next week, and also thinking about now, I'm going to go, let's go. 31st, we got to close for a lot of miles. We got to close before 650, it's too cheap. So I'm trying for you, I'm trying to get it done. 650.
My Chevy
hey,
has
it's the pedal on the right.
Yeah. Dodge Neon. Rebuilt title.
Rebuilt title. So, 750. Hey, put it on the money. Congratulations. Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about here? Put it on the money now, what are you thinking about now? I'm going to go, let's go. Big 211 now, I'm going to go, let's go now. 5. Sir, 275, yes or no? Got it. 300 of the calls for Jerry and Derek.
Yeah, you didn't drive out there, huh?
They make a great couple. Put it on the money now, what do you think? Congratulations, by the way, Jerry. Call, last call. So, $750 a month.
How you feeling, man? Another day. I see you hustling. I didn't want to bother you. That's all good.
Sure, 275. Let's go. Take it out. Go. 80.99. I'm going to get Tahoe now. What are you thinking about now? I'm going to go Tahoe time. I'm going to get Tahoe time now. I'm going to 475. I got. I'm going to get 475 now. 950 now. I'm going to go 950. I'm going to get 950. Hold on. I'm selling the car. Sure, 1150. Quarter, 1150, 1175, 1175. Last call. 1150. 1150. Three. You gotta be three. You gotta be three. I got 275. Sure, 275, 80.99. Let's go, take it out. I'm gonna get put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? I'm gonna get Desert Oasis. Let's call, last call. 875. 875. Out here, what you got? Had it a bit 275, 275 now. I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna sell for parts. Anybody interested? 275 now. I'm gonna go through. 275, 80.99. Take it out. You guys driving? Is he driving? Put it on the money now, I'm on the vote. My daughter's driving on. Some of the quarter now, I'm going to go 750 now, I'm going to go 750. I'm on the car, you okay? 720. Put it on the money now. 275, 275, 275. You got it, put it on, I'm going to go 850 now, I'm going to go, we're out, 850, 850, 850.
It's a good car for $1,250.
0653.
$200.
See, blue right here.
And now I'm going to go 3 and a quarter, got it, quarter, you hit it.
There's the best car here, 192,000 miles.
I'm going to go 9. knocked out $900. It's about 75 now. So.
$875. Now here's the cleanest little Kia.
675. It's now going to go 11. You're both out. Are you okay? So. 1325. So 1325. I'm going to go take a nap. People here today. A little bit 4 1/4 now. I'm going to go 450 now. I'm going to go 450. I'm probably going to lose my job selling the car. I got it now 6. A little bit 6. I'm going to lose my job over that car. Really, if I lose my job? 175. 175. 175. I'm going to go 2. So 175. I'm going to go hold time. Put it on the money now. I'm going to be thinking about now. I'm going to go 210. Bam. Got it now, I'm going to go 875, got it now, I'm going to go 9. I don't know, 9 1/4, USA. No, 9 1/4, yes or no, selling the car. 9 1/4, no, you don't. I'll lean on 9, so, $900. So, $900. Anybody want that? Anybody want that car for $275? So, $250. $250 now, I'm going to go, let's go now, I'm going to go 3 1/4 now, I'm going to go 50 now, I'm going to go take it out, draw 75 now, I'm going to go 3. You're going to be 275? I'm going to go 275 now, I'm going to go 3 now, I'm going to go 2 to 3 now, I'm going to go 275 now, I'm going to go 3.
Pretty decent car.
Quarter behind you. Hey, we got a car.
So 1996 or 53?
137. Pretty decent looking car. That was a pretty decent little Honda too. Oh yeah, no, that one had all the wires and stuff out. I remember now.
Put it on the money.
And maybe so this
36 minutes. 0653.
That's cool.
0653. Got it up the wire. He hit it. Sorry. A little bit 275 now. I'm going to go 4 now. I'm going to go 4 1/4. A little bit 4 1/4. A little bit 475. Got it now. I'm going to go 5 now. I'm going to go 5 now. Down the car. All in, all down. Last call. Gotta go. So, $500. A little bit. Put it on the money. Money now, what are you thinking about now? I'm going to go now, I'm going to go now, I'm going to go now, I'm going to go $200. I can't give it away. I'm going to go 275 now, I'm going to go 3 now, I'm going to go 3 now, I'm going to go 3 now, I'm going to go 50. I got new money now. I'm going to go 250, it's up to you. I got 3 1/4 that has no wheels. Did you see that one, Chris?
Alrighty guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. If you've seen the last video, let me know if your guesses for the prices were right. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, don't hesitate to share the video. Let me get on your community post or something, man. Oh, and quick thing, we actually won the raffle today at the auction. I don't know what exactly it is yet. I'll get in the car and open it for you really quick. And just like that, guys, I won $25. Very happy. I literally never win anything at the other auctions. They usually give out $100 at the end, but this is definitely better than nothing. So yeah, as always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Watch the ads, and I'll catch you next time. All right, peace.